Hi, it's Micah. I wanted to do some pairings today with the Second Nature Tarot. First up, we got the Modern Mary Oracle. And I didn't plan this out, but Karma, Justice, and Love. All right. What do you have to show us today? And I know the art style is different, but like the color saturation is definitely there. And I kind of like all this like black in contrast. Like it makes that dress pop, right? I love that card. Oh, Death, Surrender, and Goddess. Nice. And Queen of the Moon Oracle. Beautiful deck. Once again, the art style is different, a lot more modern. But why not, right? I mean, it's kind of hard to exactly match the Second Nature. So, but yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, I like it. Beautiful. This is the Sacred Earth Oracle. Really pretty. Love this card. And Earthly Souls and Spirits. I figured since this deck is just single keywords, it might be better to pull more of these cards and then focus on the tarot. Look at that. Yeah, this is really pretty. I'm hoping she comes out with this mass market because I really want the book. Like, give me a book, a good book. That's all I want. It's so beautiful, though. Look at all them moons. And the Grimalkin's Curious Cat Tarot. I can't believe more people aren't using this deck. Like, I love it. And kitty, 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 kitty. Watch, my boy cat's gonna run out thinking I'm giving him wet food. Oh, I love it though. Like, it just makes me happy. Like, even the bad cards aren't that bad. Look at the chub. Like, you can't be too upset looking at cute cats, right? Like, look at his silly face. So there's a it's called the Meow spread in the book, and I definitely want to pull that out and make a little video on it because it's adorable. Yeah, it's definitely my favorite cat deck out there. Like, the art's amazing, and I'm not giving up on it. More people need this deck. Oh, I don't want to end on a sad card though. What's next? Okay. High Priestess Kitty. There we go. All right. So the Good Tarot, I wasn't a fan of, but I walked past it the other day and had a feeling that I needed to pick it up. And then I read it from the guidebook. And I don't want to use that deck as, this deck, as a tarot. I want to use it as an oracle. It appears that from the writing style, that I love this card. The author, I assume, would have been in recovery, or knows someone on a deep level that has. Definitely got those vibes, and yeah. So, thinking about using it as an oracle. I'm probably going to talk more about it soon. Sometimes you'll find the answers where you least expect it. And last up, we got the Bonefire Tarot. Basically, why not? You know? Just felt like maybe it'd be cool. And I haven't picked up this deck in a long time. A few years ago, I did my year ahead spread with it, and I actually redrew all the cards myself and enjoyed that process. So, yeah, I put it back in order. I think I might just start sitting down and go through that book, because I love the contrast. I love all the black in the cards. Beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you. See you soon.